here we are in my uncle's pigeon loft again, and here are the finished, almost finished fans, but we still got to get an extension cord. It's probably gonna happen after I leave for Hong Kong, so we'll probably be seeing that next year. But it's not a big difference. I'm just gonna put the extension cord there. My uncle's gonna do that. Anyway, the heat's on and the fans have been on, so hopefully it won't be getting pigeons long. But first of all, I'll adjust everything. This is on high, I assume. It is already dirty. That's pretty cool. Interesting. Let's unplug the light. I brought my stuff. I brought the tester, the airflow thing. I just gotta make sure everything is set properly. Anyways, we put these in earlier. We put these in a while ago, and this is already dirty. This one's been put in a year ago. This is put in a while ago. Anyways, this one has the ground wire still not attached because not hooked up because it's only had a two-way plug. This is a free plug, so it's got all three wires attached. Anyways, you've seen these in other videos. If you guys haven't, I'll send a link below which shows these fans. So I'm not gonna go there because I don't want to get pigeons over me. Yes, I'll try and get this one. It's all covered in all sorts of dirt, pigeon feathers, whatever. This one is clean, but this will be like this in about a year or so, I imagine. You know, it's a pigeon loft. And pigeon lofts are super dusty at times, but anyways, first of all, we'll turn this one on. No, first of all, I'm not sure what kind of air is going through the vents without any fan on, so you know. Wait, first of all, wonder what that does. Hopefully it'll. Yes, I'm going to go here after all. No, that fan still broken. We discussed we've seen that fan working. I've seen that fan working a couple of days back, but then it broke while we were here. Interestingly enough, and then yeah. First of all, turn them to low. Let's turn this one to low. What's happened? Oh, this must be the switch to it. Fans. That's really cool. I never even knew they had a separate switch. That's low, it's rattling, you don't know why exactly. There's wind outside, so this thing, whatever you call it, you can call it a flag, you can call it whatever, but my tester is not so not moving. And it's only on low, so it's not moving the chair. Let's see what this one does on low. By the way, the manual I saw on this one said not for special atmospheres with including chemicals of that. I don't know if this counts for a pigeon loft. I think it might do, but you know, just a little bit of a backdraft. It's not the big deal, it's just a bit of backdraft. Still ventilates. Turn them both to though. By the way, does it switch control both of them? It does. That's pretty cool. I never even knew there was even a switch. What air does it? What air do they both move? This. I'm guessing this one moves a bit more than that one. That one's all clogged up with dust. So we're looking forward to this one clogged up with dust as well. No, I'm being sarcastic. I'll admit that right now. This medium. Be careful, there are cages everywhere. Not the difference between the speeds that annoys me about these fans. They're good fans, but speed changes are not that good. I forgot something. I know you guys would probably say, oh, the great cat fan has forgotten something. Oh, so we gotta get these videos. Okay. Let's turn them back to high. The pigeons are saying, what the hell's going on right now? Let's confirm that they're both on high. Both on high. Bit of backdraft, but not a big deal. Up! Oh. You pigeons. You create so much mess. That's for sure. But that doesn't mean that pigeons aren't cute. So, you know. Normally I do a video when everything is all done, but we're leaving, so I just want to make sure that we got a video, because maybe the update is not going to be on today. Spiders don't really do that. This video is just going to get longer and longer by the minute. First of all, let's check on this window time. It's really cool that I found out these fans are controlled by this switch. You know, my Uncle Bob, he's an engineer. Oops, he just said his name. Don't tell anyone he said his name. By the way, that's not his real name. That's just his. Oh, well, it's just one uncle, so should get away with that. High speed startup. What did I forget? Oh, what I'm gonna do now is I'm gonna turn this one to low. Whoops. And leave this one on high. See which one moves more air out front side. Whoa. Oh, it's windy, so it's not a good. Yeah. Darn wind. This one is kind of moving air. Check out this one on low. Yep, just as I thought. This one on low moves more air than that one on high. And it's all clogged up with pigeon dust. Yeah, my uncle cleaned it, but nonetheless it should be it's a good fan. Anyways, let's unplug it and plug the light back in. Oh. What does it sound? That does not sound good, but let's leave it for now. This light, let's turn it off just to show you how it's like. My uncle left it, the old one plugged in, but we'll leave it like that. That's how he wants it like. Got dirt all over my hands. I'll have to wash my hands when I come in back in the house. Anyway, you guys pretty much have it. There you have the two exhaust fans and two working exhaust fans in my uncle's pigeon loft. And this is probably the final pigeon loft video until he does updates, because we're gonna still have to plug in extension cord so we can put both fans and the light on at the same time. So anyways, there you go. Thank you for watching. Hope you enjoyed the video, and I had a great time here. And I hope we'll be back about next year, because this year we're going to the Philippines in summer, but hopefully next year in maybe summer or spring we'll be coming back here. But anyways, there you go. Thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed the video.